Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video, today I will show you a high heel leather long shoes ideas, knee length long shoes ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about in fashion about hottest women's and high-class women's wear knee-length long shoes ideas. Leather long shoes will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about high heel leather long shoes will change your look with zipper style, side zipper style, boutique style, stretch style, PVC style, genuine leather and knee length long shoes ideas. Follow with designer outfits, boutique style outfit, comfortable outfit, short outfit, party wear outfit ideas. My dear friends, if you have to follow all plus size women, senior citizens, modest models, universities fellow friends, colleges going friends, in daily workouts, in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events, and much more about all your festive events and moods. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social medias contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about high heel leather long shoes, knee length long shoes and designer leather long shoes ideas. Thank you once again. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather long shoes ideas, designer and knee length long shoes ideas. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos. Bye bye.